Hey guys, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Got another beautiful Scout to show you guys today. This one is a 2019 235 XSF. It's powered by Mercury 250 Verado. Just about 56 hours on it. Boat was purchased through us here. Kept in our dry stack facility. Just got a full detail of it. Came out really nicely. Do a quick walkthrough. Show you guys the layout. And I'll dive into some of the more detailed features of it. Really good looking boat with that glass windshield. Upgraded leaning post. The 250 is also a big upgrade, as well as the hardtop. Powder coated everything. Beautiful rocket launcher. Storage up above. Big touchscreen Garmin MFD with the NEMA backbone, so you have all your engine data on here, as well as all the other stuff that you might need. A nice and easy layout. Got lights up below, up the top, pumps, everything else. Digital throttle control. Really nice ergonomic handle here. Got the stainless steering wheel with the knob, so you never have to take your hand off the wheel. And then obviously the tilting helm for whichever position that you want to run the boat at. Bolsters are always important to have for comfort. Sometimes they do get in the way. Scout fixed that. Whenever you walk away from it, pops back into place so that you have easy access to walk through the helm and not get hung up on anything. Whenever you're ready to sit back down, hold that down, and you're ready to go. Nice forward seating area here. Fish boxes on both starboard and port. And then you've got this big fish box or dry storage area. This one is macerated, so you don't have to worry about any fish guts or anything like that going into the bilge. Pump it right overboard. Quick look in the console. You guys can hear me. This one is equipped with the head. Battery switch. Does have the head pump out as well. Again, that's all the anchor chain and line. Stored that in there for the detail. Another thing I really like about this boat is the height of the leaning post. It's nice and tall for when you're rigging your baits. These are at an angle, nice entry and exit. But this is really at a good height here. Or if you're running and somebody's standing back here, it's a really good height for safety and stability. And a little bit of rain on us, but show you guys the rest of the boat here. Beautiful aft bench that folds away, but you still have plenty of walk space to get through even if it is open. Close that up. You got a live well, port quarter here. It's aerated as well. Cup holders, rod holders, recessing cleats, stern, midship, and bow cleats. More rod holders here. Obviously, rod holders in the back of the leaning post and up top of the hard top for that rocket launcher. Full glass windshield. Gives you a lot of protection here. Great visibility. Fishability of the center console. Scout does a great job with the layout, as well as seating for the whole family. Once again, guys, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2019 Scout 235 XSF. Fresh detail, you can see rainwater balling up on that fresh coat of wax. Fusion stereo unit with the upgraded speakers. 56 hours on the Mercury 250. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. This 235 XSF. Beautiful boat. Fresh detail. Come take a look. Let's get you out on the water. Thanks for watching, guys.